Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video, we are doing Color Falling Leaves Waterfall 25 shot by Dominator Pro. Part number on this one is DMX5214. It is 25 shots in 15 seconds with 30mm bores, and it goes 115 to 130 feet in a fan shape. As you can see, this is a nice fanned out cake. We have a regular fuse right there on the bottom, but seeing this is Pro line, we should have a E-match port underneath here too. I love waterfalls. I'm always looking for ways to add them into my show, and this being a big fanned out cake, all just waterfalls, I really want to check the colors out and see how these look. Taking the top off, we have the quick match port right here. We can just pop the match in, tie it off on that little edge, and this cake will be ready to go. I do love the Pro line. Makes it so easy to set these things up. We're not doing a ton of prep, poking stuff in beforehand. So let's take this Dominator cake out back, see how good these falling leaves waterfall look, and if this is a cake we're going to be getting again. It does come 4-1 to the case, so we could do a whole bunch of falling leaves with these ones. Thanks everyone. Another falling leaves waterfall.